Officially opening our sports fest, okay, will be Mr. John Consinconiege. Hey, hey! Everybody, okay.
Go lang ng go. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. John Consinconiege. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all regulations and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community enjoyment with my competitors. I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman, in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God.
Hey! Okay. Help MDI. Alright, so thank you.
Friday, tentative September 13.
Tentatively, September 13, mag-uumpisa ang ating basketball tournament and this will be held at Cantada every Thursday and Friday. So everybody is invited to witness or to watch the basketball game ng mga kasamahan natin doon sa Cantada every Thursday and Friday. Alright? And of course, yung championship ay gaganapin ito sa November 8. Okay? So thank you very much. We will now proceed to the next game. Palakpakan naman natin lahat tayo.